Hey guys, Mr. Techie here, and here's my quick hands-on with the Infinix S4. Now, this comes with a dual 2.5D glass that is enclosed in a glossy body, and surprisingly, this doesn't feel heavy at all. As a matter of fact, guys, I can say that this is a very light device, but of course, it is quite reflective and it also attracts a lot of fingerprint stains. Now, you get a 6.2 HD plus teardrop display, which is the best from Infinix, and a quick look at the settings shows that you can actually hide the notch in the settings. Anyways, one thing that I noticed with the display is the obvious bezels beneath, and from there you get to see the on-screen navigation buttons, and I also like the fact that Infinix allows you to customize it in the settings. Now, as far as placements go, you have all your buttons to your right, a dual SIM card and a micro SD card slot to your left, no placement on top because they've all been moved beneath, and from there you get to see the mono speaker grills, the micro USB port and a headphone jack. Now, moving to the back, you get to see the triple cameras, which is also a first from Infinix, along with a quad LED flash and of course a fingerprint sensor. Now, in front, there's a massive 32MP camera, and as far as hands-on picture quality goes, I can say it's quite okay, although I will put it to more tests in my unboxing and full review. And guys, I noticed that Infinix has included a new mode which is called the AR shot, but as far as I'm concerned, I think this might be considered to be quite gimmicky. More on this in my full review though. Now, a quick look at the UI reveals the new XOS 4.0, the latest version, along with Android Pie, and this brings dark mode to the navigation panel, something that I really like. So the base version comes with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of built-in memory, while the bigger variant has a storage combination of 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM. Now, other specs include a MediaTek Helio P22 processor, a 4000 mAh battery, and other specs you can see right now. While I wait to get my unit of the S4 to unbox and of course to review, what do you think about the S4, especially at the price tag of 49,900 for the 3 gigs of RAM variant and 64,500 for the 6 gigs of RAM variant?